This was the from the cartoon song. Yeah, this is the song from the cartoon.
Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and Cracker Jack. Casey Jr.'s back. Casey Jr.'s back.
Hey, Mark, what's
Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody hurries to the circus grounds.
Right down for that one.
Casey Jr.'s back. Casey Jr.'s back.
Better. Oh, he's also on Dumbo. I think they had a song too playing.
Really?
Casey Jr.
That's the name of the circus train.
Yeah, that's right. I like seeing the whole rest of the village stuff.
Yeah, you got that? Looking backwards, I have no idea what these are. Right, it's like 3,000.
Yeah. He's not chasing the ducks. Oh, there he is.
Wait, this is the same loop we can do.
I see a duck flying. That's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
Ladies and gentlemen, monkeys and wild animals, please stay seated. We'll be approaching the station shortly.
I wonder why the canal boats aren't running today.
We should make that turn.
And disconnect us?
Yeah.
Or set the brake?
It's that real life. I like all these succulents.
Mm-hmm. In Tomorrowland, all the plants are edible.
All the what is?
All the plants are edible in Tomorrowland.
Good to know. How come I don't see any boats in this canal?
I don't know, that's what I'm wondering about.